Today we're going to be doing a white cheddar cheese popcorn. Today we're going to be doing a white cheddar cheese popcorn. We're using this gold medal product, Signature Shakes, and this is the white cheddar cheese. So let's get started. All right, we got our 1.5 cups of oil. We're going to add our 3 cups of popcorn. Get that mixed, get it heated up. Popcorn kernels in here, and we're heating them up. And once they start popping, we will take this out, get this all popped up, and we'll get our white cheddar cheese seasoning on it. We got our popcorn popping here. Kill the heat. Nice hot popcorn. We're gonna. All right, so we have our garbage bag here. We're gonna be dumping our hot popcorn on there. We want it to still be hot when we add that cheddar cheese seasoning, so this way it sticks to those kernels nicely. Get our cheddar cheese. That's 2/3 of a cup of cheddar cheese shaker from Gold Medal. And then we just swirl it around in that bag. It helps to get it all in there. That garbage bag also has some static electricity inside. And that also helps for that powder to stick to those kernels. Get it nice and mixed up. And there we go, white cheddar popcorn. Oh yeah, that's great.